The boys helping do chores today. My nephews. Alright, you guys are gonna fill water? Just so you know, I dropped that pole in there the other day and I broke the bottom, so that thing leaks. So you guys kind of be quick about it. The water jug. That's how we get the water, is in the well. Yeah. Alright, so you guys are gonna do that. We'll dump this out. You can clean that out, Carter, first. Hear me? Clean that tub out first. Yeah, dump some water in it and then clean it out. And then fill that up with water. Fill this one up too for the little Tweety birds. I saw some cardinals drinking out of it yesterday. That's pretty cool. Alright, and I'll get everything fed while you guys are getting the water around. Lance, are you going to stay with brother and Carter? Oh, sorry guys. Yeah, you're going to help them? Do not go by that hole, okay? No, because you fall in there, it goes down. Got it? Hey, tough guy. Hear me? Alright, you guys got the water? I'll get the food, okay? The geese will be right here watching you. They want that water. They want some water.
You should probably say more.
You want to come with me? Yeah. Lance can come with me. You come with Uncle B? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, here, you want to carry those? Okay, you carry the buckets. Alright. Alright, let's go this way. The boys will take care of the water. The big boys. The ducks tried to bite you. Those are some big ducks, huh? The geese. Yeah. You hate them? Oh, these guys are the ones that are mean to you all the time.
No,
careful.
I love them.
You love them? No, you don't hate them. You love them. No, that was pretty quick decisions. We don't like turning those back on those guys with you with me.
I love those ones.
They will try to get you, huh?
I love those ones.
You love those ones? Those are the ones that tried to beat you up last time. Here they come. Don't run. You get them going. Alright, there's a third one. Yeah, they'll try to bite you too. Oh, here's the guineas and the Mohawk brothers. Here, you come in here. Uncle B will shut it so the chickens can't get you. Boy, they are noisy, aren't they?
Noise.
The three old ones, that's our baby that we got from the Tractor Supplies swap meet. That's where he came from too, actually, our peacock. He's so pretty. He's still starting to get there. It's coming in. He had a couple of long feathers, but they got all nasty. He pulled them out. But. Oh, you laid the buckets right there? Okay. And you grab these buckets. Oh, you got that one? Oh, okay. Here, let's go get them some food. Let's go in the barn.
No.
Here, you hold that one?
Yeah.
Okay, and just don't drop it. Hey, don't drop it, okay? You're gonna leave it right there? Yeah, is that heavy? Okay, Uncle B's got it. Alright. Oh!
I have my bucket back.
You want the big one?
Yeah.
Or this one?
This one.
Oh, that one? Okay. You got it?
Yeah.
Alright. That one goes to the turkeys.
Yeah, I feed them.
Here, Uncle B will do that one. I'll let you do this one in here, okay?
Okay.
Okay. We'll do this one quick. No, hold on. Wait for Uncle B. We'll go inside there. All this garbage up too. You guys' cage needs to be cleaned out, all the garbage out. You got all the weeds and stuff taken out. Let's see where everything is. Here, guys. Hey, no, Lance. Oh, you little butthead. Hey. Hey. Goofy. Look. You can come in. These guys aren't mean. They're all nice in here. Yeah, you dumped it all right in a pile in the front of the door. Oh, I guess. It's in here, huh?
I have those chickens.
You love those chickens?
Yeah.
Oh.
Those chickens. out here anymore.
It's not cold out here no more?
No.
No? You sure?
No.
I think you should still keep your coat on though. Yeah. There we go. Spread it around a little.
Yeah.
Alright, the boys are getting the water around for us. Hold on. There's the pigeons. And mama pigeon and papa pigeon. And baby pigeon. Oh, it's a bunch of feathers. I thought there was a dead bird down there. Just feathers. Oh, we gotta check. I haven't showed you guys this yet. See if they're in there. I don't know. She's not sitting on right now. So. Oh my god. There's a baby in there. He's a big one. Oh, yeah, I see you, buddy. I don't think the egg's gonna hatch. I'll leave it for a few more days. I don't know. I haven't really been. I kind of forgot all about it, guys. There's a baby pigeon in there. Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna go with one of our subscribers' name, Hara, H-A-R-A. I think we're gonna do. I don't know. I like that name. But maybe we'll name the new baby that one if it survives. But so far these guys have hatched out at least one every time. So, mama pigeon and papa pigeon got another baby in there. It's looking like it's pretty healthy. So, it's pretty big actually. So, what?
You can cut this.
Yeah, you can close it. Not right now. You don't need to close it. But when it gets cold out, Uncle B locks them in there. Yep. Keeps it a little warmer for them. This one here closes too. The screen door. Summertime if I need to lock them in there for something or split somebody up. Okay. Yeah. Huh? Got the wall? Oh, in the garden. Yeah. You guys got water all done? Hey, Lance. Oh, careful. Oh, shit. Shoot. I'm fine. Uncle B's coming out. I had to get our food dish. Chaos. So much chaos with the kids helping me. Alright. Gotta spin that wheel. What are you guys doing? You guys are going in there. You got the water all ready for me?
Yep.
Alright. Oh, I'm getting towards the end of the barrel. You good? You're falling. You're trying to follow the big boys? Alright, don't get into nothing you shouldn't, okay? Be good. You guys keep an eye on them. Hey, you boys. Keep an eye on the little one. Alright. Alright. We whacked all this down the other day. Get some good grass growing next year, hopefully. I don't know. I'll probably rake it all up. Give it to the horses. Take the horse a little treat. Alright, I'm coming, guys. Oh, get in here. Shut that. Alright, chickens. Hi, guys. You guys hungry? Huh? There's the ducks. Old bubbles. I'll let these guys out of here. Ain't no reason for them to be locked in here no more. Fly around, huh? Cut Miss Thing's feet feathers all down because they're so big. It's covered in mud. She couldn't even barely fly anymore. So got that all cleaned up for her. Cool. That sounded like it hurt. That was a noggin bump. Alright, get in here and clean this up a little bit. Hi guys. See if there's any eggs anywhere. Do a egg check quick. I don't see nobody sitting anywhere. These guys are sitting in that nest. Shoot. Let's sort of stuff it away now. Put this over here. Climb in here. Oh, these guys are all gonna go crazy. Nothing. It is cold. It's been getting down crazy. Alright guys, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Thought that one being behind the door would be a good one that they'd land, but so far nothing. No nest or eggs anywhere in here. Well, maybe back there would be a good spot too, but so far nothing. Someone just tried to poop on me. Hey guy, you gotta go down. There you go. There you go. Everybody getting food. Hey, give them some water so they get a drink. Oh, okay, guys. Don't need to be crazy. Don't need to get crazy, man. Yeah, alright. Be as slow as I can. Shoot, we're ready with the dish. I'll take it away. Oh yeah, set it up there. Just got a little more. I'll grab it when I come back in. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna finish up my chores. Call that the end. That's a long video for me, 12 minutes. Yeah, alright. Till next time. And if you like my video, give me a like. Subscribe. Yeah, all that good stuff. But alright guys, till next time.